Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of our weekly analysis. Today is August of 2020, and it's been a while that we haven't posted anything to our YouTube channel and to other social media platforms, for the sake that we're trying to avoid or step aside and let the market do its crazy stuff. As you can see now, markets are not portraying what the economy is portraying. But anyways, the market is starting to stabilize. We start to see superstructures forming up, and this is the right time for us to make entries, to make trades, and also making exits with profits. Without any further ado, I just want to welcome you guys, and just remember, this video is meant for educational purpose. It's not meant for any signal or any sort of signal providing service. So let's put that in mind, and any trade you're going to put based on analysis is based upon your own risk. Otherwise, guys, let's start with our first analysis that goes to US dollar currency index. As you can see on the US dollar currency index, we're in a very strong uptrend or bullish for some time now, and the market now is starting to show a bit of bearish sentiment to USD currency dollar index. As you can see here, this was 2011. The market's been rallying up and up, and now is the right time. I won't say the right time, but the market now is starting to break through to the downside, and this starts show as a reversal, a big massive reversal on the US dollar might happen. So anyways, guys, this is what we expect to see on the dollar currency index. A major pullback back to this major support area, turning resistance, and a further sell off after that retest, going forward to the target area of roughly 88.84. Now, having said that, we use dollar currency index as our compass and navigator. So we're going to take all trades against the dollar, meaning that we're going to sell or short the dollar going forward. Now let's start by looking at currency pairs which match this analysis. We're first going to look at the US dollar currency versus the Canadian dollar. This is 1 week chart, and you can see here the market is starting to reversing back to its previous levels, and market was trading above that strong support area. Now it's trading below that. And having said that, the US dollar is bearish at the moment. This is a perfect trade to look for the coming week. We have a very strong oil, and that supports the whole narrative of shorting the USD Canadian dollar. And here we can, as you can look, we've been trading and shorting for some time now, and what we expect to happen is a major pullback to that major resistance level, and a further sell off to the target area of 1.3094. So that is our first signal of the day. That is our first signal of the coming week. So please, guys, type it down, write it down on your trading journal, and remember, this is going to be a very interesting entry going forward for we expect for the coming week. So secondly, the currency pair trade you're looking for is looking forward with huge optimism is the EURUSD. Please see the market respecting that support area on the uptrend behavior. Now we want to see the market pulling back to these areas here, and this will be an interesting area for us to buy and being long on the EURUSD. And as you can see, that level break is 1.16605, and that will be our entry point for the euro going forward, with the target area of around 1.2000. Thirdly, we have GBPUSD. GBPUSD has been forming it's been forming a very interesting pattern, a very dependable pattern, and we expect more interesting entry points with the right risk reward for our trading strategies for GBPUSD. Now, firstly, we had a bouncing, or call it a kissing point for the GBPUSD. Parting now, we expect the price to pull back, and this retest here will confirm our entry point for the GBPUSD going forward in the coming week. So we want to buy there and close at that target area of 1.33647. The pair we're looking forward to trade this week is the USD Japanese yen. It's been trading on a very strong bearish momentum. Now this is a very super structure we're looking at our screen right now. The dollar is doing bad and the trend is going downward. It's been strongly bearish for some time, and this gives us a very good reason to trade this USD Japanese yen on the downside. So we expect the price to pull back here. A retest here will confirm our entry point, and we're looking at the target area of 104.746. all right, now turning into our index. Index is a very interesting instrument to be trading. As a beginner, it's something that I wouldn't advise you to try, but if you're an expert and advanced trader, this will be something that you could be extremely profitable in the long term. Now, here we have US NASDAQ 100, the top 100 companies in the US. Currently has been trading at 11,140 per index share. So we're looking forward to buy this index share on this pullback. So for some time, I've been following the US NASDAQ 100. We've been advising traders to buy and buy and buy for some time now. We also initiate a buy sentiment on the US NASDAQ 100 just because of the current stock market hysteria to the upside. We have so many retail traders cashing in and pulling up profits in trading stock market right now, and that creates a very intense liquidity injection to the US NASDAQ 100. And I'm interested to see a buying opportunity. I'm interested to see a pullback here, a retest, and here will give me an advance signal to buy the NASDAQ 100 to the upside. And I'm looking at 11,500 per NASDAQ 100 I got that wrong. So I'm looking for that retest and a target area of 11,500 as my take profit. Another trade, now this is a stock trade, and this is Amazon. Amazon has been very strong, very bullish, and a lot of traders have an appetite to buy Amazon. Now we can't trade against that uptrend. We obviously going to look for buying opportunity on Amazon, and we've been following that trend for some time now, and I would love to see a pullback at that area of 3,040, and we're looking to buying opportunity there as soon as the retest happens, and we want to go up to a target profit of 3,400 on Amazon. Next is Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft is trading at 212.48 at the moment, and it's something I've been talking about for some time, buying the Microsoft trade, following that uptrend support line, and we've been seeing time after time those kissing points give us some confirmation on buying or entering Microsoft trade. Once again, I predicted that trade here. As you can see, the market came back here, pulled back and retested, and we added an interesting entry point of 197.51 with a risk reward ratio of 2.48. After closing that trade, now we're looking forward on the next trade. We expect the same thing to happen, the market to come back here. That will confirm our entry point, that will be roughly 203.98. And I would love to continue holding that trade with a take profit target of 224. I'm talking about that area over there. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for paying attention to our weekly analysis, and I hope it was such an interesting overview of the market and interesting forecast setups and signals for the coming week. So please, if you have any comment, You can comment down below on the YouTube comment section, and any further details you require, just go to the description section in our YouTube channel, and please like us, give a thumbs up, and hope to see you next time. Cheers.